Hi, today I'm going to talk about Italian politics and which are the main parties racing for next ballot. There are 8 parties of movement so far. Each has a unique and definite identity and culture. Let us begin with Mr. Salvini's party, Basta Negri, which means stop niggers. It is not like Ku Klux Klan because they have no hoods. When your love life, your sex life, your family life doesn't work properly, just put the blame on the blacks. Salvini's party stands for Italian Northerners who don't like Italian Southerners, but they might get together against the blacks.
One of the most important party is the Partito dei Fighetti, or Yuppies Party. Its secretary Renzi and the Renzi minions believe that cocky bankers, dynamic businessmen and the selfie army are the core economical core of Italy and its future. Civil rights and ethical issues like ius soli or gay marriages are quite nice and funny unless they don't affect banks. In summary, if everybody showed off a bit more, Italy would be a better place to live in.
The Movimento Sapicelli, the Wise Guys movement by Joe Grillo and Louis De Maio knows the truth. They know how to govern, how administration works, and above all, they have decided to be more honest than the others. They are 15% more clever than the other parties are. Their goal is direct democracy, in which 1 equals 1. Currently, under consideration is a new parliament for 60 million parliamentary members, or should I say, all Italians. Here comes Alfano, leader of the survivors, an unknown political force so far, still under investigation. It is made up by small political beings searching for a political environment where to breathe and reproduce.
Giorgia Meloni founded No Zingari, kind of No Gypsy, a right-wing party that wants Italy to go back to its old vocation, draining the swamps and beating the queers. On the left, we have Avanti Eskimo, Go Parker, with the duo Giuliano Pisapia and Paolo Igi Barsani, also called Samuele when entertaining friends with the guitar.
Like in the great Italian left-wing tradition, they might be arguing while I'm talking and making up more parties. The former, Pisapia, believes that in this world in which a strong battle for immigrants and destitutes is strongly needed, it is nice to read a good book. When the going gets tough, I wait a little more.
The latter, Barsani, is a great creator of metaphors. For instance, if you don't turn the sausage over, it might burn, which just shows what a great campfire manager he is. Behind Barsani, there is D'Alema, an agent from Mossad, CIA and KGB all rolled into one. Last but not least, the good old guy Silvio Berlusconi, who's back in town with his memorable party Forza Ricky. Come on, wealthy people.
The Chinese have bought him, but Mr. Berlusconi still carries on his political career. His program is very simple. All is well, as long as he doesn't fuck up family business.
He's stuck on the values of all noble bourgeoisie. Respect for family, Christian traditions and blowjobs. There is still one party to mention, the biggest so far. It is the Non Voters Party. They all agree with the slogan, Zanasseru tutti Vangulu, kinda, I don't like them.
According to them, it is always someone else's fault, and that all politicians are corrupt.
That is why many of them eventually become candidates. What about you? If you were in Italy, what party would you give your support to?